Welcome everyone, my name is Angelo and I've been a financial consultant for the better part of the last decade. We are rolling out our new series called The feedback has always been the same. Wow, I always learn something when I attend your seminars and you make it so easy for me to understand. So what I want you to do is hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna roll out content on a regular basis for you, and you're gonna learn all different facets of financial planning, retirement planning, investment planning, how to pay less tax, how to keep more money in your pocket. At the end of the day, 60% of Canadians spend more than they make. 75% of Canadians don't have a plan, and they're not ready for retirement. And I'll tell you this, with everything that's happened in the last 5-6 months with COVID and quarantine and people being laid off, people dipping into their savings, we have finally been able to look into that crystal ball to get a glimpse of what retirement's gonna look like. For some of you, you're gonna cruise right through it. You've got the savings, maybe you've got the income, maybe you're still working and you're just adjusting to working from home on a Zoom call, the conference calls. Some of you may have gotten laid off. Some of you may have had 2 or 3 jobs and you had to pick one. People have struggled a lot in the last 5-6 months. Our goal with this channel is to help you move forward in your financial plan, even if it's a small baby step every time you watch a video. I will tell you that the first step to getting control of your financial plan is to take that first step. And here's what we're gonna talk about. We're gonna show you over the course of many videos how to build your wealth, how to pay less tax. You'll pay your fair share, but if you can pay a little bit less within the confines of the rule book, we're gonna show you how to do that. We're gonna show you how to protect your estate. We want to give you financial confidence. Whatever that may mean, whether you're single, married, in a blended family situation, whatever the case, whatever your goal is, you're a business owner. We want to give you confidence because financial confidence takes away all that financial stress. Subscribe down below, hit that like button, share it on your social media. We are here to help. We are here to roll out that content. And as we start to do videos, comment below. Reach out and say, hey, I want to learn more about this. I want to learn more about that. I've got questions about Canada Pension. I've got questions about my investments or my insurance plan or my group benefits. We're going to cover it all. So stick with us. Build your financial confidence while you go behind the vault.